If you've ever undone something in Photopea and instantly regretted it, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to redo in Photopea using the fastest shortcut, the top menu, and the history panel. This is a super quick but important workflow to know because when you're editing images, designing graphics, or making quick adjustments, being able to step forward again can save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. The fastest way to redo in Photopea on Windows is with a keyboard shortcut. If you just pressed undo and want to bring the action back, hold Ctrl, Shift and Z at the same time. That is the quickest method, and it's perfect when you want to work faster without stopping to click through menus. So if you make a mistake, undo it, and then realize the change was actually fine, just use Ctrl plus Shift plus Z to redo your last action. Now, if you prefer using your mouse, Photopea also gives you a simple menu option. Look at the top menu bar and click Edit. In the drop-down menu, select Step Forward. That does the same thing as redo and moves you forward one step in your editing history. This is a great option if you're not using shortcuts or if you just want to visually confirm what you're clicking before you apply it. There's also another useful way to redo in Photopea, especially if you've undone several steps and want to jump forward to a specific point. On the right-hand side of the workspace, find the history panel icon. It looks like a small rewind or clock symbol. Click it to open your history list. You'll see a series of actions that represent your recent edits. If you want to jump forward, click on any grayed out state lower down in the list. Photopea will take you directly to that action, which is really helpful when you've gone back too far and don't want to redo one step at a time. A quick tip here, the history panel is especially useful for larger projects because it gives you more control over your workflow than just using the redo shortcut repeatedly. If you're experimenting with edits, filters, or layer adjustments, this can help you get back to the exact stage you want much faster. So to recap, if you want to redo in Photopea, use Ctrl plus Shift plus Z on Windows for the fastest method, go to Edit and choose Step Forward if you prefer the menu, or open the history panel on the right and click a later state to jump forward directly. Those are the 3 easiest ways to do it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea and editing tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more shortcuts next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.